Observe my right eye and you'll see how I transform it from looking tired to bright and lively. If you have hooded eyes, droopy eyes, or if it just makes you look tired, you're not alone. It's pretty normal and common to have all of these, but there are ways to dress it up just to make it look bright and lively. And who doesn't like that? Today, I'm going to show you an incredible technique that'll keep your eyes looking bright and nice throughout the day with just a few simple steps. And I'm going to demonstrate only on my right eye so we can compare it with my left and you can see the beautiful transformation unfold. Here's a big tip while doing your brows. Keep it light and natural looking, for which I'm going to be using a fine tip brow pencil. Today, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Micro Shade Brow Pencil in the shade light brown to fill in just the sparse areas. And I'm mostly focusing in the center, and I'm not going to elongate or pull down my brows any further in the corners because I want to keep it as high as possible to make enough space beneath my brows. And when you keep it light and fluffy, it looks more natural and it doesn't weigh down on your lids. Even if you don't have much space below your brows, push your brows as high as possible to maximize the space underneath. Now, as you can see, I have uneven skin tone on my lid as compared to underneath my brows. So I'm going to even out everything using a concealer. And the one that I'm using today is the Milani Concealer in the shade 145, which is the shade Warm Beige. And I like to use this shade because it's a true match to my skin tone. So when I apply it to even out everything, it's not going to come out looking ashy. If you prefer, you can also use a tinted eyeshadow primer if you have uneven skin tone. I'm going to wait till it's dry before I start applying the eyeshadows. First, I'm going to focus on increasing my lid space because one of the reasons my eyes look tired is because I can barely see the lid space because I have hooded eyes. And that weighs it down, making my eyes look tired and droopy. I'm going to keep my eyes wide open and looking straight in the mirror. I'm going to use a brown eye pencil and mark a point above my natural crease line. So when I keep my eyes open, you should be able to see that marking. And that will be my new crease. I'm going to mark the corners. And as you can see, as compared to my left eye, here's my actual crease. And here's my new crease line that'll instantly double up the lid space. I'm going to simply join the dots. And now I'm going to lift my brows so I can clearly see that marking. And I'm going to soften it using a blending brush. Keep on blending till the crease looks nice and blended. And then using the shade Brown from the Urban Wanderer palette, this is from Ofra Cosmetics, I'm going to further soften this up using a blending brush. And I'm also going to use it in my lower lash line. It's time to deepen the crease, so I'm going to dip into the shade Dark Brown with a tapered blending brush. Now, I'm not going to point the brush upwards or downwards. Instead, I'm going to keep it focused in the new crease area that I just created. And I'm going to blend it out in the outer half of my new crease, softening and melting it into the lighter brown shade. And just like I did in my crease, I'm going to use it in the outer half of my lower lash line using a fine brush. Next, I'm going to use the shade Champagne to clean up my lid so I can showcase a larger lid space. When you apply a lighter eyeshadow, it highlights the area, bringing it forward, which is precisely what we want to do for our lid to attract more light and make it look brighter and bigger. Now I'm going to soften that crease line just a tad bit with the rest of the brown that's left on the brush. And then I'm also going to use it to soften the outer edges. Now I'm dipping into the shade Triple Black with a small tapered angled brush. And I'm going to create an eyeliner very close to the lash line with a small wing in the outer corner. And that'll help to lift the lash line. And then I'm going to be using a nude eye pencil in the outer half of my lower waterline, which will give the illusion of bigger eyeballs, making the eyes appear brighter. It's time to finish up, so I'm going to curl my lashes before I apply a coat of mascara. And the one that I'm using today is the highly rated tubing mascara by Milani. And as this is an everyday look, I'm not going to be using any false lashes, but you can definitely dress this up by using a nice pair of false lashes, but make sure it's wispy so it doesn't cover up your lid space and they wing out to elongate your eyes. Now, as you can see, as compared to my left eye, my right eye looks way brighter, bigger, and more lively. In just a few simple steps, you can completely change the shape of your eye and also the mood associated with the look. I'm going to finish up the other eye as well. And as you can see, that completely changed the mood. I'm going to pair this with a beautiful lipstick from Essence in the shade 6, which is Cool Mau. This is a long-lasting lipstick. It has an 8-hour hold. But I have to be honest with you, I didn't find it extremely comfortable on my lips. I felt it was a bit drying on my lips, but I absolutely love this shade. They have some wonderful colors. And here is the completed look. This is something that I can wear every day. It's subtle, but also looks bright and elegant. To add a pop of highlight, you can also use a highlighter in the inner corner and brow bones or leave it as is. Would you try this look? If so, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed in the description box right below this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.